Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today we learn how to use there is and there are. There is and there are. Both of them have the same meaning in French, and they help you start a description of what you can see. Okay, you can describe a picture, a drawing like this, or paintings. Okay, but you can also use them to say or to describe an action that is taking place at the moment you're speaking, and it's useful to tell a story that happened before. Okay, uh, with there is and there are, you can. You can use them to tell a story. But of course, if you talk about a story, if you tell a story that happened in the past, instead of using there is, you must use there was. Okay? Instead of using there is, you say there was. Instead of using there are, you say there were. Okay? There is and there was because they are singular. Okay? There are and there were because they are plural. Okay? There is and there are present today. There was and there were in the past. Okay? So, uh, there is and there are help you to talk about something that exists in particular place. They help you to show the existence of something or someone somewhere. Okay? If you're talking to somebody who can't see, they can imagine what you're talking about. Consequently, you can share your feelings, you can share what you see with them. Okay? So let's have an example. Here on my left, we can see a drawing, okay? And we're going to make a description. We're going to describe this drawing, okay? By using there is and there are, so that you know how to use there is and there are. For example, here, there is a cloud, okay? A cloud. You can say there is a cloud in the sky. Okay? This is the sky, and there is a cloud in the sky. And in the sky, there are one, two, three, four, five, many birds. There are birds that are flying. Okay? So you can describe this. You can say, there, I'm going to write with this marker. There are birds. Okay, this is one bird, two birds. There are birds flying in the sky. Okay, there are birds flying in the sky. There is a tree. There is a tree. Okay, there is one tree. One tree. And here you can see coconut tree. Coconut trees. So there are coconut trees. Okay? There are coconut trees. There are 3 coconut trees. Okay? So we said that there is and there are help you talking about the past, the action that happened in the past, but it helps you, they help you describing a picture. Okay? And it's you use them to talk about the existence of something somewhere. Here, there is a tree and there are coconut trees. But you can also say that something doesn't exist. So you're gonna use the negative forms, okay? Negative forms, negative forms, negative form. So for example, okay, there is no house. In this drawing, there is no house. So you say, there is no house. You can say, there isn't any house. You can also say, there are, and that is plural. There are no houses with an S because it's plural, or there aren't any houses. Okay? There aren't any houses. And you can also ask questions about the existence of something. Okay? You can, for example, ask the question, is there what can be our question? Is there a man here in the drawing? No, there's no man in the drawing. Is there, okay? Interrogative form. So it's a question. Is there a man? Okay? Is there a man? Or are they, are there cars? Okay? And the answer is, there is no man, there isn't a man, there are no cars. Okay? So there is and there are talk about something that exists, and you can use them to ask a question of the existence of something. You can also say that something doesn't exist. It was very difficult, but thank you. See you next time. Bye.